Yo, what's up everyone? And welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Access is Denied error in Zarchiver and access the data folder on Android 11 to Android 15. But before we continue, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And that's how to fix the Access is Denied error in Zarchiver and access the data folder on Android 11 to Android 15. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.